Have you ever had pumpkin punch? This one is a bit underrated, but let me show you how I did it. I'm going to start off with about a half a pumpkin and about 3 carrots. I'm going to add them to my pot and add about 5 cups of water, and then I'm going to add half a teaspoon of nutmeg and half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder. And let me tell you, my house smells so good when this was cooking. You want to boil it for about 20 minutes or until it's cooked soft. You can wait until it's fully cool to blend it, but I didn't have any time, so I blended right away. You want to blend it until it's silky smooth. I'm then going to add that to a separate bowl and repeat the process until it's all blended. As I said, it's best to wait until it's fully cool before you blend it. After that, I'm going to add my nutrament. This is a replacement for supligent. I'm going to add my vita. The best thing to use is a dragon stout, but this is a non-alcoholic version. And I'm going to also add some vanilla extract. I mixed that together. I tasted it and it wanted a little bit more sweetness, so I added some condensed milk. You can sweeten to your preference. This was so delicious. That's why I asked.